Welcome students, we are expected to integrate this. This can be written as 2 times integral 0 to pi modulus of pi negative x times dx. Now we will retain the modulus, and in the next step what we will do is we will rewrite this. Since x is defined in this region 0 to pi, I will rewrite this as 2 times integral 0 to pi negative x times dx. So if we are to integrate this is going to be 2 times integral 0 to pi times dx negative integral 0 to pi x times dx. This is 2 times pi times x, limits are 0 to pi, negative x squared over 2, the limits are 0 to pi. So I substitute the upper limit, I get pi squared, lower limit is 0. I substitute the upper limit, I get pi squared over 2. So this can be rewritten as 2 times pi squared negative pi squared over 2, which is going to be 2 times of pi squared over 2. 2 gets cancelled, giving me pi squared. So that's the solution for this question. Please like, share and subscribe.